Hold a sec. First, congratulations. Your purchase is a sign of a winner taking action. Second, I have a question for you. How would you like to jumpstart your way towards success with Facebook marketing? With the top-notch information you get inside the guide, I know you'll be up and running with your lucrative business in no time. But what if I told you there's an idiot-proof way to shorten your learning curve and help you make money faster with Facebook? What if you could begin seeing results almost overnight? And what if you could avoid all the common pitfalls that hinder your massive success? Well, the secret lies closer than you think, and I'm going to give it to you. I'm talking about learning everything you need about Facebook through videos. You must be thinking, why videos? Well, almost all of us learn way faster by watching something than by reading. Although the ebook you got is easy to follow and incredibly in-depth, we have a special offer only available to existing customer, and it's designed to help you get results 10 times faster. Many people learn faster by watching something done rather than by reading about it. In fact, a majority of the population learns better and retains information faster from a video than by reading the text version of something. So imagine if you could combine the best of both worlds. What if you could get a complete video course in addition to the ebook guide you purchased? Something that would handhold you and force you that next level of training you need to get results. And not just any results. More exposure, more quality traffic, more conversions, and more profits in your pocket, faster. Good news is you're going to get the one-time opportunity to do just that today. Introducing the video version of your Facebook marketing guide. Why is this important to you? Well, if you do things wrong with Facebook marketing, not only could you fail to see traffic and end up wasting money, but you could even risk getting your Facebook account banned forever. I am sure you have heard marketers crying about Facebook banning their accounts. That's why you need to understand the ins and outs of Facebook marketing, to make absolutely sure you don't miss any fine details, so that making money leveraging Facebook becomes a breeze. Whether through groups or fan pages, you can make money in any niche for free. Even scale your business and make as much profit as possible from Facebook advertisement. But if you miss just one step in the process of getting your Facebook ads set up, tracked, you could find yourself wasting a ton of time and even money, and ultimately missing out on making sales and profits. Sadly, many people struggle to get the results they hope for with Facebook marketing because they just try to do things their own way and eventually fail miserably. When you follow the step-by-step video training upgrade, getting the desired results is the only option you will be left with. Now, it's time to get confident with your Facebook marketing. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as a valued customer, you'll get access to the upgrade with a special one-time discounted price. Think about this. Having this course is just like hiring a Facebook expert. Visit and show you exactly how to set everything up and see results. They charge thousands of dollars or more, and still, it would be worth every penny. But you won't pay anywhere near $1,000 today for this upgrade. To make this deal lean towards your favor even more, you also get the high-quality audio MP3s of all the training as an exclusive bonus. This makes it easy to learn on the go, absorb all of the most important details, and see success with both free and paid Facebook marketing. And to make this a complete no-brainer, you get to test drive this upgrade for the next 30 days with absolutely zero risk. If you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your investment. But please don't wait. This is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Now is the time to take your Facebook marketing to the next level. Click the button below to get instant access today.